Good morning, everyone. I'm going to discuss the bacterial diseases of potato. The first one is brown rot caused by Ralstonia solanacearum. The second one is black leg caused by Erwinia carotivora subspecies carotivora. Ring rot caused by Clavibacter michiganensis subspecies Cephadonicus. Zebra chip disorder caused by Candidatus libribacter solanacearum. The final one is pink eye disease caused by Pseudomonas marginalis. The brown rot is also referred as bangle blight, ring disease, or bacterial wilt. This is the first reported bacterial disease. It is reported from Pune district of Maharashtra. The symptoms are brown color ring is formed in the tubers. This ring is formed due to the discoloration of vascular bundles. Uninfected tubers bacterial ooze emerge out from the surface and emits a foul odor. Browning of xylem tissue, eye buds are black in color, wilting, stunting, and yellowing of foliage, followed by collapse of entire plant. Ralstonia solanacearum is a gram-negative, non-spore-forming bacterium, aerobic bacterium. It is a soil-borne bacterium. The favorable condition for this bacterium to grow is temperature 25 to 35 degrees Celsius, relative humidity greater than 50%, pH 6.2 to 6.6. Acidic soil is not favorable for this bacteria. The primary spread of this bacteria is through diseased and contaminated tubers. The secondary spread through contaminated soil and irrigation water. The management is crop rotation of potato along with the wheat and the usage of resistant varieties like Solanum pugera. The second one is black leg caused by Erwinia carotivora subspecies carotivora. It is introduced into India through seed stocks from Italy. The infection at two phases. Black leg, the bacterium invaded the internal vascular system and led to this symptom. Second one is soft rot, water soaked lesions on the soft tissues of a potato. The other symptoms of black lesion appear at the base of the plant. Soft reddish or black ring appear on the infected tuber. Systemic browning of infected tubers. Rot and collapse of tubers. This is Erwinia carotivora. The infected tubers attract the flies. And this disease spread through immature contaminated soil and tuber. Temperature required for this is 21 to 29 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 94%. On management measures, we can treat the seed tubers with boric acid 3% for 30 minutes and soil application of pentachloronitrobenzene at the time of planting 30 kg per hectare. In plants, seed tuber treatment with thiobendazole, acetic acid and 0.05% of zinc sulfate solution or carbendazim 1% for 15 minutes. The third one is ring rot caused by Clavibacter michiganensis. Wilting. The symptoms are wilting and yellowing of infected potato leaf. At initial stage, the vascular tissue has glossy water-soaked appearance, soft cheese-like rot around the vascular ring, bacterial ooze emerging from the vascular ring of the infected tuber, or bacterial ooze also emerge from the heel and eyes. In severe cases, cracking and mummification of the tuber occurs. Clavibacter michiganensis is the aerobic non-spore forming gram-positive bacteria. Mode of spread of this bacteria is direct contact can spread infection from diseased to healthy tubers, and contaminated equipment used to harvest and grate potatoes is also spread the disease. With low humidity and low temperature, the bacteria may remain viable. Management measures are regularly clean and disinfect all machinery equipments, container, vehicles and storage facilities used during potato production. Fourth one is zebra chief disease caused by Candidatus libribacter solanacearum. The symptoms of purpling of foliage, upward rolling and scorching of leaves, production of aerial tubers, stunting and chlorosis, irregular dark brown sticking of tuber tissue giving rise to the name zebra chief, brown or pink colored stolons. The disease is spread through the by potato zillets. The scientific name is Bacteria cockerelli. Potato zillets are very small and look like block-winged aphids. Spraying insecticide can control the zillets. Candidate Liberibacter is the phloem limiting gram-negative bacteria and it is an unculturable one. The final disease is pink eye caused by Pseudomonas marginalis. Pink to brown blotches on the skin, usually around the eyes at the apical end of tubers. Shallow reddish brown rod occurs beneath the discolored areas in severe cases. If tubers kept cool, scaly and flaky skin appears over the affected areas. It opens the door to secondary soft rotting bacteria. Thank you.